fluids or being excreted through feces or through various other modes of transmission. And then the virus must then be able to enter the cells.
Chase is on.
And the virus must also then survive and replicate in the new host cell. So these are some of the kind of barriers to entry when the virus is trying to exploit a new host species. One other thing is that most viruses don't really have their own replication machinery, and so they must hijack the proteins in the new host cell to be able to replicate themselves. And after replication, the virus must then be able to transmit from the new host to other hosts of the same species sufficiently well so that they can circulate in this new host population.
You estimate the number of shifts, animal to human, human to animal, and animal-animal jumps. What's the magnitude of those kinds of shifts?
Right, so in our study, we inferred about 2,900 host jumps in total. 79% of these jumps involves only animals, and only 21% involves humans. So that's about 600 host jumps. Of these 600 host jumps that involve humans, 64% push human to animal, and half of that, which is 36%, involve animal to human transmission events.
What does this all tell you? What are the big take-home messages?
First thing is that we have a very huge impact on the environment around us. Second thing is that we can start to think of leveraging the huge amounts of genomic data that have been deposited on public databases so far to try to understand the wider flow of viruses around the globe and between different animals. And I think that's really important because we've been focusing on zoonosis, we've been focusing on things that infect us, but we are just a single species in this really broad and diverse network of hosts around the world. And we have to stop being so myopic and try to understand this wider.
Oh, I see him down there.
To better understand and improve our capabilities to predict the next emerging infectious disease.
Cedric Tan is a PhD student in the University College London Genetics Institute and Francis Crick Institute. Cedric, thank you so much for talking with me today.
Well, thank you, Ariel. It was a very nice chat.
Last week, Netflix released its adaptation of the Hugo Award-winning sci-fi book, The Three-Body Problem.
Oh, he crashed. Here comes the cavalry. Police are out of their cars. They're going down here. I see people running down there. The heat is on. Two police cars down here. I think the police, two cops near the crash must have run into the mall, and these two are stopped over here to meet the police in the mall down here. So yeah, I see three cars here. Guns are out. Guns are out. They got the guy cuffed already. Good work.